said before, so cooling tower is an equipment used as a tool for cooling the hot cooling water from a condenser or other transfer units by bringing it in contact with the unsaturated air. So it is also used for conservation of cooling water. There are certain types of cooling water or of cooling tower which industries are using. So we can characterize them by means of fan setting or by airflow direction. With regards to fan setting, we have two. We have the natural draft and mechanical draft. And the mechanical draft is further classified to be induced draft or forced draft. So let's go on to the natural draft. Okay, so natural draft cooling towers. This utilizes buoyancy or density difference via stall chimney. It also uses warm, moist air rises due to the dry, cooler outside air. And at the same pressure, warm, moist air is less dense than the drier air. For the mechanical draft, so we have the induced draft and the forced draft. These are the differences between the two cooling towers. So induced draft. A fan at the discharge cools air. The fan induces hot, moist air out the discharge. Produces low entering and high exiting air velocities. Reduces recirculation. And it is also called the draw-through. For the forced draft, so these are the characteristics of the forced draft cooling tower. So fan at the intake pushes air. Fan forces air into the tower. Reduces high entering and low exiting air velocities. Susceptible to recirculation. And it is also called blow-through. So, recirculation and the other parameters there will be further discussed in the principles of the cooling towers. Next, so by airflow direction, we have the cross flow and the counter flow. For the cross flow, okay, airflow is directed perpendicular to the water flow. So as you see in the diagram, the airflow here is directed perpendicular to the water flow. Okay? For the cross flow, you see the difference between the two. So counter flow. Airflow is directly opposite the water flow. So this one. This is the airflow and the other one is the water flow. So opposite direction. So for the significance of the cooling towers, here is Jamaica Aga.